dad went to the supermarket and he bought a bottle of milk and a bottle of paint. And here he put some of it, some paint and some milk in these things. He said to me that I need to decide what one is paint, what one is milk. So I did this. I numbered them. 1 and 2. Number 1, number 2. And I got papers. Let's see the numbers. Here these papers are. I'll put them here. Now, I'll show you the method how we can know it, and this method is called secret letters. I take a pen and draw one line across the paper and numbers, and numbers 1 and 2. And now I put the pen away and take 2 paint brushes. I take some of number 2 and write. I put it away. I can't mix it. So I take another paintbrush and put it in number 1 and write something too. And I put this away too. Now I wait while the paper will dry. I put this away, and I will show you the second method. It's okay. We take some milk, or not some milk, but something, or paint, or milk. I don't know what is it, but I pour it in a little bit. I take another one. I take this one and pour another thing in it. Put it in. No, I mix it really good. I put it in and take some of this one, with this thing. I take and just 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Put it back. And I mix it. Oh, it's gone purple. Okay, let's see what the other one does. What number 2 does. We take this one. And do the same thing. Oh, too much. Yes, it's okay. I take some this one, some another thing, and pour it in. Okay. I'll mix it. Now I take this and put in 1, 2, 3. Now I take it and mix it. It's gone blue and it gone purple. I think the purple one is milk because it has protein in it. And this one I think is paint because it has no protein in it. Now you'll have to wait a little bit. We'll return to our experiment that is called secret letters. Oh, and this violet one is called Biarrate reaction. You'll have to wait a little bit. Oh, here. The paper I wrote on. This one is number 1. I know you can see it hardly, but this is number 1. Can you write something? Can you read something? I think yes. And can you read number 2 here at the bottom? No. I think no. And I know now that number 1 was milk because it has protein in it. So that's how we can know what one is milk and what one is paint. Bye. See you after.